Good morning, students. So we were discussing about the chapters of factors and multiples. Now the next topic in the chapter is prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers with only two factors, 1 and the number itself. For example, 7. Now 7 is a number which has only two factors, 1 and 7. Because it is divisible by only 1 and 7, no other number can divide 7. It means 7 is a prime number. Similarly, 13 is also a prime number because it is again divisible by 1 and itself, that is 13. So a prime number is a number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. The other examples of prime number are 5, 17, 19. These are the numbers which are having factors only 1 and the number itself. Next is composite numbers. Composite numbers are the numbers which have factors other than 1 and the number itself. Means it has more than two factors. We know every number has the two factors, 1 and the number itself. Other than that, if a number is having other factors also, then that becomes a composite number. For example, if I talk about the number 10, 10 has the factor 1, 2, 5 and 10. It means it has four factors. So this is a composite number. Next, one thing to note here is the numbers 0 and 1 are considered as neither prime nor composite because these are the numbers those having no factor. Now one thing to note is the numbers 0 and 1 are considered as neither prime nor composite. So they are unique numbers, or we can say they are the special numbers. Now there are some facts about prime and composite numbers. First is 2 is the smallest prime number. Now 1 is not a prime number. So the prime numbers start from 2. 2 has the factor 1 and 2. It means two factors. So 2 is the smallest prime number. Second is except 2, all prime numbers are odd. So 2 is the only even prime number. All the other prime numbers are odd. Like 5, 7, 17, 19, 13, 23. These all are odd. Third is smallest odd prime number is 3. Now next to 2 is 3, which is the smallest odd prime number. Fourth is 4 is the smallest composite number. Now 4 is again a composite number. So this is the smallest composite number. Before that we have 1, 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are prime. 1 is a special number. So 4 is the smallest composite number. Fifth is the smallest odd composite number is 9. So odd composite number is 9 because after 4 we have 5, which is a prime number. Now 6 is an even number. 7 is a prime number. 8 is again an even number. So 9 is the odd number, which is composite. So smallest odd number is 9. Next, twin primes. Two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime numbers. For example, if I take 3 and 5. Now the difference of 5 and 3, 5 minus 3, difference is 2. And 5 and 3, both are prime numbers. It means twin primes are those numbers whose difference is 2 and both the numbers should be prime numbers. Right? Next is even numbers. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. For example, 10, 46, 23, 42. These all numbers are even numbers because they are divisible by 2. Or we can say 2 is a factor of these numbers. Odd numbers. Odd numbers are not completely divided by 2. For example, 31. 31 when divided by 2 leaves the remainder 1. 455. This is also not divisible by 2. 77 is again not divisible by 2. So these numbers are odd numbers which are not divisible by 2. Now let us do some questions. First question is find the prime numbers between 1 and 30. So we will find the numbers which are having factors only 1 and the number itself between 1 and 30. We know 2 is a prime number, 3, then 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. These are the numbers which have the factor only 1 and the number itself. No other number divide these numbers. Second question is, write two prime numbers whose product is 33 and sum is 144. So you have to find a pair of prime numbers whose product is 33 and sum is 144. Now product is 33. How we can get the product as 33? If I multiply 3 with 11, the answer is 33. Now I will check the two prime numbers whose product is 33 are 3 and 11. As 3 multiplied by 11 is 33. So this is the answer for A part. 3 and 11 are two numbers whose product is 33. B part, I have to find a pair of prime numbers whose sum is 144. Now 144, 47 and 97. These are the two prime numbers whose sum is 144. So you can check it easily, just add them. You can get 144. So these are the numbers whose sum is 144. Next question is, express the following as the sum of twin primes. Twin primes, as we have already discussed, twin primes are two prime numbers whose difference is 2. Now first is 8. How can I express the sum as 8? Two prime numbers whose sum is 8 and they should be twin primes. Now 8 can be written as 5 plus 3. We know 5 is also a prime number and 3 is also a prime number. Are they twin primes? Yes, because the difference of 5 and 3 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So they are prime numbers and in fact they are twin primes. And their sum is equal to 8. So 8 is 5 plus 3 can be written like this, and 5 and 3 are twin primes. 24. Now again I have to find two prime numbers whose difference is 2 and whose sum is 24. 13 and 11. 13 plus 11 is 24. Now their difference 13 minus 11 is 2. It means they are prime numbers. In fact they are twin prime numbers. So and their sum is 24. Next question is, express the following as the sum of three odd primes. Three odd primes, right? Now 35. I want to find 35 as the sum of three odd prime numbers. Now 35, you can find a nearest prime number to 35. 23. If I add 7 and 5, then the answer is 35. So 5 plus 7 plus 23 is 35. Next is 63. 63 can be written as 3 plus 17 plus 43. These all are odd prime numbers and their sum is 63. Now your home assignment is question number 1. Numbers 37 and 73 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digits 3 and 7. Find such pair of numbers from 1 to 100. Second question, give 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 25 whose sum is divisible by 5. Example is given to you. 2 plus 13 is 15. Right? So you have to find other pairs also like this. Both should be prime numbers and less than 25 whose sum should be divisible by 5. Third, is every odd number a prime number also? So write all the work neatly in your notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.